Hi and welcome everybody to Off the Ramp, and in today's video we will be showing you how to create a report in Proko and to create a customized chart. So without further ado, let's get into it. So we'll start off by navigating to Proko using the main menu, and we will press on Proko. And then we will go to the reporting page. And you'll see here that we currently don't have any reports generated, and we can do that by clicking the button over here, project report, and then we can actually title it, and we select the actual project. Then we will include what we want to include here by simply ticking the actual boxes. I'm just going to leave it as it is just to do a quick show of how it works, and click create report. And now you can see here, this is your report. It will give you the title, who the report was created by, and the date, project name, description, start and end date, and then as well as a key for the actual chart. And then it will plot the chart as well. Of course, there's nothing really to plot here because we haven't done anything. But if we scroll down further, you also see some more numbers showing completed, pending, and overdue tasks, as well as what the productions/projects completion rate is here. And then it will also show you the tasks that are still incomplete, as well as the tasks that are due this week and who is assigned to it. So very nice to see that as well, so you know who to contact in order to complete those tasks as well. Now, you can't save a report, but you can print it, and you can also download it so that you always have it as well, and you can show it to the team or whichever managers, production managers you need to show it to as well. So that's how that works. I'm just mentioning this because when you do click away from it, it will then your report will then vanish. So for example, if we click on calendar and we return to the reporting page, you will see your report is gone, but you can just regenerate a new report and it will give you exactly everything that you need. Now we are going to create a customized chart, and we're going to start by clicking create customized chart over here, and then we will just name the actual chart. And then we'll give it a start date, end date. Yeah, we can select whether or not we want it to be a project type or a task type. So we're just going to select project for now, and then we'll select what project we actually wanted to create an actual chart for. You can also select tasks, but I just want both tasks to actually appear from project. So the other one is scale. This you can also edit. Just showing you right now, we're going to leave it on days, and I'll show you how you can still edit that. And you'll see now it has created it, but it is empty because you need to still fill in the blanks and actually create the chart. So we'll select days here, and you can select months or years depending on how long you want your report to be for your actual production/project. It will also show you the actual tasks and the IDs of the actual tasks as well. And what we're then going to do is, once we've selected the actual duration, we'll also create a new line now, and we will first title that line. So we'll say and then what we can also do after titling it, we can also select the color of the actual line by using our slider here. select whatever color you want, and then we can fill in and start plotting in the data for the and then you can go to add line, and you will see your actual chart plotted out, and you can add as many lines as you want, and you will see your key at the top of the actual chart over here. And there you have it. That is how you create your chart. Remember to please save, otherwise if you do click away from your chart, then it will actually disappear. So once you've saved, you can actually click away and you can return, and you can continue to plot out the progress or whatever it is you want to create your customized chart for your production or project. And thank you guys, and that is all for this video, and I will see you guys in the next video.